Hi, my name is David. I'm my name's David Martin Wilberforce. I'm from North Wales, Wrexham. I'm part of Good Buddies North Wales. I would like the reason Good Buddies is important to me is where you meet lots of new people with a learning disability like ourselves and things like that. The things I've done from Good Buddies recently is a Good Buddies quiz, which I linked in with Good Buddies on Friday night. And also, I would like to thank the people for doing a Cardiff half marathon. And yeah, and for raising money for Good Buddies and things like that, really. So yeah, Good Buddies means a lot to me. So yeah, thank you everyone. And good luck to people in Cardiff half marathon. Thank you and have a good day. Bye. Bye bye bye. 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 Thank you. Bye.
Hi, everybody. My name is Nicole Bird, and gig buddies means to me making friends, going out, socializing with people. But I have joined in lots of Zooms with gig buddies and tea parties, and done some drag as Flossy Sunshine. What I would like to say a massive thank you to everybody who's run the Cardiff half marathon.